front clip PPF, including the doors, side mirrors, headlights, lower rocker here. She is ready to go. All the carbon here is beautiful. All right, we're going on a quick test drive here. If you see any flickering on these screens, that's just in camera, that is not in person. Steering's perfectly straight. The alignment is perfect. Got the hands off the wheel. Drives nice and straight. Hitting on the brakes kind of hard here. They feel perfect. It shifts nice and smooth. Zero complaints with the drivability. Everything is perfect. Okay, we're going to do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find, and really just assessing the overall condition of the vehicle. So we do have full front clip PPF, full hood, full fenders, full front bumper. That also includes all of the kind of magnetic gray trim pieces and the headlights, as well as around the carbon. Then you have PPF along the full door and this lower trim piece here, but nothing on that super low side rocker right there, if you can see that, and nothing on the quarter panel, but full doors, and that includes this little trim piece here, wrapped in film, like I said, and the side mirrors. So basically from the doors up, fully protected. All right, looking at the wheels here, date code on the tires 2023. You have a scratch there, a couple imperfections. Looking at that fender, absolutely gorgeous. That looks good. Carbon is really nice. Very light scuff here. Looking at the door. Looks good. This paint is amazing. Really, really nice. Here on this wheel, I don't see any rash. Beautiful carbon ceramics. Scanning the edge of this. Looks beautiful. Carbon pieces is perfect. This paint is really, really nice. They did a good job on the PPF as well. I'm not seeing really any imperfections that stand out there. Little rock impacts here and there, but you do have film protecting it. No issues there. This is a really, really clean front end. Let's check out the underside. I mean, if you look way under there, you're gonna see a little bit of rash. It's clean, way under there, some rash. A little bit on that very edge here. And you have film there protecting it. Getting down here, way under there, some rash, but really nothing visible from even a foot off the ground, and just kind of walking around that. You can see how clean that is. Fender looks good. No rash on that wheel. All of this is in great condition. Absolutely gorgeous so far. Upper section looks good. Now this side does have film on it, so I imagine the other side did, but it was removed. So you have film there protecting it, but still nothing up here. All of that looks good. No rash on the wheel. Taillights look amazing. Scanning that back bumper. I don't see any flaws that stand out. Absolutely perfect there. Spoiler looks good. Check out all the carbon. All that carbon looks good. And same here. Alright, checking out the interior. It is a non-smoker. Very, very clean in here. Looking at that door panel. That looks good. Carpets are perfect here on this trim. A few light markings, otherwise in great condition. Looking at that bolster edge, a little bit of wear on the very edge here. That bottom looks nice. Seats are super clean. They look really, really good. Steering wheel has that matte finish to it. Kind of like this brushed dark titanium look. Looks really good. I love the all leather. Normally you'll see them like full Alcantara. This looks good though with the all leather. And it's not like ultra black. You can see it's kind of a gray color. So that's black, that's gray. So this is more of a gray color everywhere. Here on that door panel, looks amazing. That trim looks nice. Here on that bolster edge, that's perfect. Same there. Looking at the seat itself, looks really good. This side of the console's clean. Typical, I think factory flaws in the leather, but all of that looks really nice. Full door PPF, like I said, even down here to the lower side, but I do see snags in the film. So you're gonna see that right there. Now that I'm in the car with a little bit of sunlight, I do see a little scuff there and a small one here. Otherwise, she is beautiful.